From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, everyone. Penn State student meteorologist Brian Michigan here with a look at that Friday afternoon CNET forecast. We're to kick things off with a very beautiful look outside of Beaver Stadium. Current temperature 82 degrees and blue skies for as far as the eye can see. A few clouds popping up behind Beaver Stadium there, but otherwise a picture-perfect day to go outside and enjoy the outdoors. Now, as I mentioned, 82 degrees, feels like 81. We do have a little bit of a southwest wind coming in at 11 miles per hour, but visibility, as I mentioned, as far as the eye can see, it's a beautiful day, so go enjoy it. Now, temperatures-wise, across central Pennsylvania, we're sitting in the upper 70s. Would not be surprised if there's a few pockets of 80 like we saw at Beaver Stadium. Altoona sitting at 80 degrees there, and as we expand outwards, much of Pennsylvania feeling the warmth as well as we look off to the north and west. Places like Franklin and Bradford coming in at 77 and 76. A bit cooler off near the lake shores of Erie, and then off to the southeast, a touch cooler there as well as you head towards Allentown. Now, how does this compare to our average at this time of year? We're anywhere from 10 to 25 degrees above average for places like Erie, Bradford, Du Bois, and here in State College as well. So again, we're really feeling the warmth as we are on the warm sector side of a cold front that's going to be moving its way in just in the next 12 to 24 hours or so. You can kind of see where that cold front is setting up off to our west. Anywhere west of that, that's where temperatures are below their average, but off to the east, really feeling the warmth up and down the eastern seaboard. Now, wind gusts, it's a bit gusty, especially off towards the west, and that's kind of why the temperatures have been able to rise so substantially over the day today. 16 miles per hour, even 15 miles per hour there in Bradford, all coming up from the south. So it's also a bit muggy. It's kind of advecting in some of that moisture from down south as well, so it may feel a bit sticky if you're heading outside today. Satellite and radar shows not a whole lot going on, but if we expand outwards, there's our low pressure swirl off to the north and west, bringing some snow showers near Minneapolis and into the Dakotas as well. There's our cold front there with showers and storms draped along it. And timing this thing out for you, as we go into the overnight hours into the evening hours, I should say, some cloud cover and maybe some pop-up showers and thunderstorms may work their way into central Pennsylvania. As we go throughout the evening, I should say, and into Saturday morning around the noon time frame, that's where we're going to have to be on the lookout for some showers and thunderstorms from that cold front that's going to be moving its way across the state. Getting into Saturday evening, those storms really start to ramp up in eastern Pennsylvania, so be on the lookout for severe weather as well, maybe some damaging wind gusts and locally heavier amounts of rainfall. But as this thing keeps going off to the east, we're going to be seeing the temperatures drop as we get into the later part of the weekend and even into next week, seeing maybe even some snow showers popping up on our map there. But for today, 56 degrees is your low temperature tonight. The chance for showers remains with that southeast wind. Tomorrow, that's where the thunderstorms are going to be in play, 70 degrees as your temperatures gust upwards of 30 miles per hour in some of those showers and storms. But for your 7-day forecast, you can see we're going to be cooling off as we head into the next week. Bit of unsettled weather, maybe the chances for some showers scattered in the 7-day forecast, but otherwise, we're going to be cooling off as we get into next week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Brian Michigan. Have a great night.